guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express Christmas special. Before me, we had the amazing August from August's Acrylic Art. Absolutely fantastic artist. If you missed him, check him out. Same with everybody else that's on the collab today. If you've missed any of the ones before me, please go check them out. They're amazing. And keep watching so you can see all the others that are on as well. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank every one of these amazing artists that have given up their free time to be part of this fantastic collaboration. So, you guys rock, man. Thank you so much for being a huge part of it. And without you, it's only me and Bubbles doing it, so thanks heaps! Alright, so I've cut out some MDF stockings and I'm going to have a bit of fun with them. So, here's some tunes, kick back, relax and enjoy the ride!
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, our weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. All night divine. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shines from thy holy face with the dawn of redeeming grace. And Jesus, Lord, at thy birth, Jesus, Lord, at thy birth, Jesus, Lord, at thy birth.
People giving a little bit more to the Santa with a bucket outside the store. Music playing everywhere that you go. All the streets and sidewalks are covered in snow. They say this time of year there's something in the air. I can't explain it, but I feel it too. There's something about Christmas love. I don't know what it does. Strangers talking while they're walking like old friends do. There's something about Christmas love, like it's sent from above. Warmer greetings, peaceful feelings. Oh, there's nothing like Christmas, nothing like Christmas love. People traveling from all around, spending time with their loved ones they only see every once in a while. They say this time of year there's something in the air. I can't explain it, but I feel it too. There's something about Christmas love. I don't know what it does. Strangers talking while they're walking like old friends do. There's something about Christmas love, like it's sent from above. Warmer greetings, peaceful feelings. Oh, there's nothing like Christmas, nothing like Christmas love. They say this time of year there's something in the air. I can't explain it, but I feel it too. There's something about Christmas love. I don't know what it does. Strangers talking while they're walking like old friends do. Like it's sent from above. Peaceful feeling. Oh, there's nothing like Christmas, nothing like Christmas love. Oh yeah, there's nothing like Christmas love. Oh, there's nothing like Christmas, nothing like Christmas love. I don't wanna sound cliche, but I just can't wait for our matching red pajamas on Christmas Day, and to hang another stocking by ours on the fireplace. Well, lately baby fever's running through my veins. I've been adding to the list of all my favorite names. We've been dreaming to start a little family, and we will someday. But before we say goodbye to the silent nights, let's spend one last December, baby, you and I. Grab a cheap red wine and a classic movie, dance around the kitchen eating Santa's cookies. Jingle bell rock, we don't care about losing sleep. You know that someday soon we'll have responsibilities, so I've been thinking that we could have a one last Christmas, just you and me. Yeah, before you know it, we'll be putting babies down, saying go to sleep or Santa's gonna skip our house. They'll be waiting for sleigh bells, trying not to make a sound. So before we get to praying for those two pink lines, let's spend one last December, baby, you and I.
Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one. How much fun are they to do? So what I ended up doing was making an MDF Christmas stocking a lot wider than I usually would. That way it's easier to fit a bloom and a radial swipe in the middle of it. So otherwise they end up pretty skinny. So yeah, loads of fun. Alrighty, up next we've got the amazing Donna, the legend herself, from It's Art by Donna. So click on the link that I've just put in there in the chat. That'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Once again, thanks everyone for being such a huge part of this amazing collaboration. You guys rock. That's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.